This is a video of Baltimore.
Do you see Gay Street? Did you take a picture of it?
Yeah.
This is the giant symbol. Look, these are trucks full of bread. You are way more awesome than corn. You can use my mom.
Sure. This is Laura. Hey, Christine. And Andrea's head. That's Tim. Let's see the truck drivers. Wait, I want to see this. Point them out and explain them.
This is Crystal, the gay one. This is Fernando, the Puerto Rican from West Side Story, and that's the screen name. This is David, the UPS guy who's in love with his brother is. He's in love with his black brother. Yeah. This is Tree. This is Tree's phone number. Tree's actually.
Okay, we gotta go. Come on, we gotta go, guys. We'll finish this later.